Welcome to TimeTube. My name is Karan.
And my name is Harshdeep, presenting Graduation Ceremony 2021. An impressive graduation ceremony marked the passing out of 2021 batch of MBA, BBA and BCCA students of Tirupudi Institute of Management Education. The function was held on 13 November at Time Ground, Civil Lines, and was attended by a large number of beaming and smartly dressed graduating students and faculty members of the institute.
Chief guest for the function was Dr. Sanjay Kavishwar, Dean of Commerce and Management Faculty, RTM, Nagpur University. The function was presided over by Ms. Ghana Tirupudi, member, Yugantar Education Society. Present on the occasion were Dr. Lalit Khulla, Director, Dr. Yogesh Dharpure, Coordinator, MBA course Professor Carol Rao, Coordinator BBA and BCCA course, and Dr. Praveen, Chairperson, Training and Placement of the Institute.
The ceremony began with welcoming of guests and lighting of traditional lamp at the hands of dignitaries. In the inaugural speech, Dr. Lalit Khulla congratulated the students and said that this day signifies a new beginning in every student's life, as they would be graduating today and starting a new chapter in life.
Today is all about the future that you hold in your hands. And to kickstart your future, this ceremony is like a catalyst which will propel you towards greater heights in your career and your life.
Dr. Sanjay Kavishwar, in his convocation address, emphasized on hard work being the key to success. He urged everyone to focus on 3 C's, namely career, character, and country. He added that education plays a crucial role in behavioral development and one should never stop learning.
Education is not reading books and getting degrees. Education is primarily learning to live. Learning to live with honesty, with dignity and with integrity. Hence we normally talk about, whenever we talk about learning or careers, 3 C's are more important. First one is obviously career. Second one is character. And third one is country.
Ms. Ghana Tirupudi, in her presidential address to the students, congratulated them for their success.
Congratulations to each and every one of you. Of course, it's already been mentioned, the last couple of years have been extremely difficult. We've all had our share of ups and downs. But finally the world seems to be opening up. And I will urge you to go forth, do your best, live your life in the most righteous and fulfilling way to you.
The ceremony continued with award of certificates to the graduating students attired in graduation robes and caps, and was periodically paused for narration of college experiences by few students. Ruchika Kudale, MBA, Shreyas Bahadure, MBA, Akshada Lal, BBA, Navneet Kaur, BBA, Shubham Khemchandani, BCCA, and Vaishnavi Jeteb, BCCA, expressed their thoughts and gratitude.
It was a beautiful journey of mine in this college, as from a team member in induction activities to a core committee member as HR in Crescendo 2020.
मुझे आज भी इंडक्शन का वो पहला दिन याद है जब कुछ पता नहीं था और मैं महेश सर से पूछने के लिए गया था कि सर कहाँ बैठना है, और वहाँ मुझे मेरे कॉलेज का पहला दोस्त मिला। इंडक्शन में बहुत कुछ सीखा और वहाँ पे मैंने मेरे ज़िंदगी का पहला यूट्यूब वीडियो में फीचर हुआ। सच बोलूँ तो तिरुपुरी की वाइब ही कुछ अलग है। तिरुपुरी इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट कॉलेज जो करण जौहर का कॉलेज होता है ना, फुल ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट, फन एंड लाइफ लेसन। इट्स दैट कॉलेज।
Today we stand here inspired by the influence of our campus, which has only taught us to dream bigger. Tirupudi maintains a perfect balance in one's life and activities while still tending to academic duties.
I still remember my very first day. I was very nervous, but as soon as the orientation and the classes started, I felt extremely comfortable. All thanks to our faculty members and my peers. I'm really thankful to all our teachers for being so patient with us even when we committed mistakes which were unbearable.
Thank you to all the teachers for believing in me and giving me the opportunity to learn and move ahead in life. It is a very proud moment to hold this graduation degree. It is this 3 years of journey full of fun and learning which made me stand here today.
Thank you everyone to support me and encourage me for making more choices and everything that has been around. Our teachers have really molded us to face this world more strongly.
We spoke to some of our graduates,
and this is what they had to say.
I would love to thank the entire family, entire team, entire staff, lecturers for arranging such a wonderful environment to learn, to have fun, to encourage others, to help others, and it's a beautiful, beautiful experience of 2 years you could ever imagine and you could ever have in your life. Thank you.
My experience was wonderful. After joining Tirupudi, I became a confident person. I loved studying here, and I would like to thank everyone, each and every student and faculty member who helped me.
vote of thanks was presented by Dr. Sridevi Jaiswal. The ceremony concluded with a photo shoot of graduating students with dignitaries and faculty members. As a mark of celebrating their graduation, the students threw their graduate caps in the air in unison and rejoiced. The program was conducted by Professor Rohan Job.
I hope you have enjoyed this year's graduation ceremony.
For more videos, stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye-bye.